I looked at how young people could act and walk down the path of marriage. I talked to people who were in their middle age. Some marriages thriving, other marriages in a blasé kind of place, and others just divorcing. I questioned everything and everyone I could. I asked why relationships work and why they don't. My search determined divorce kills. It tears two people who loved one another apart. It rips at the fabric that holds a family together, and it murders the hearts of children. I said enough is enough. I need to do something about this. It was then, in my adversity and in my pain, I found my purpose. I found my mission, and I found what really motivates me. I was going to have a positive effect on 1 million marriages by talking to people and showing them there are marriages and relationships that do work. I was determined to provide the answers and show how relational unions can work. My breakthrough came, and I began to change. In the moment of breakthrough, I got the lessons for myself as well as for others. I sat down and I wrote about those answers and those questions. I wrote my first book called Eyes Wide Open. I see it as the ultimate guide for helping two people to come together before they marry, because it's essential. You have to be on the same page. You may ask what I do. What I really enjoy doing is helping two people come together and get to know each other on a deeper level. I have them take responsibility for their poor behavior in the past and their poor relational skills, and I help them with their communication. I not only have a message, I've created a blueprint for the invincible marriage. My story, my journey, and my life lessons are my gift to the world. At the end of the day, I would not wish this experience on anybody. However, I am grateful, I'm thankful for this experience because it has given me a platform to share with young people and other people who are considering marriage and the path they walk on and what they need to do. I leave you with 4 points. The first one, the person you choose to marry will have the greatest effect on your happiness or your unhappiness more than any other decision you make over the course of your lifetime. 2, don't rush into marriage. Remember, haste makes waste. Take the time, take 6 to 8 seasons to really get to know and understand someone before marriage, because you'll learn a lot in that 6 to 8 seasons. 3, learn the art of empathic communication and how to get behind somebody and understand what they're feeling. And 4, make that person number 1 in your life. Love and serve that person with everything you have. Thank you.